In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own homepage in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the home button and point it to any site you like, so you're always one click away from your favorite page. This is quick, but I'll walk you through it carefully and share a couple of helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Click it to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Brave keeps all the controls for how the browser looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find and select Appearance. The Appearance section manages visual controls like themes, toolbars, and what shows up next to your address bar. Here, look for the option labeled Show Home button. If the switch is off, click it to turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, a small home icon appears on your toolbar, usually to the left of the address bar. With the home button turned on, you can decide what it opens. You'll see an option to enter a custom web address. Click that field. For this example, I'll use YouTube as the home page, but you can choose any site you prefer, like your company dashboard, a learning portal, or a favorite news site. To make sure the address is perfect, it's a good idea to copy it directly from the site. Open the site in a tab. Highlight the full URL in the address bar so it includes the HTTPS prefix, then copy it. Return to the Appearance settings and paste the URL into the Custom Web Address field. Now let's test it. Click the home icon on your toolbar. Brave should immediately load the site you just set, in this case, YouTube. If it doesn't open correctly, double-check the URL for typos and make sure the Show Home button toggle is still on. A quick note for clarity. The Home button controls what opens when you click that little house icon. It's different from your new tab page and your startup pages. If you want Brave to open a page automatically when the browser launches, that's managed elsewhere. But for a one-click shortcut anytime, the Home button is perfect. That's it. You've successfully added your own homepage in Brave. You can revisit the Appearance settings anytime to switch to a different site or turn the home button off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster, more personalized browsing.